Yo, what up, YouTube? What's happening? The noisiest smoke detector in the planet. But I'm about to feed my snakes real quick. So I just thought I'd let you tune in on the ordeal. Let's see. I'll go ahead and got my rats down here. Gonna dry them off a little bit. He probably ready though. Yeah, bud. Ready to eat. I'm telling you. Hey, that dude a savage, bro. Listen, he squeezing the water out of that joint. That's my boy, though. He don't turn down nothing, even in shit. See about this guy right here. See what he ready to do. See if he'll take him one. Yeah, he ready. Yeah, he ready. Yeah. Don't never take him long. It's 2 down. Gonna lock him back on up. Let's see what this guy, I know he probably about ready. Feed him. See what he got going on. Don't you bite my damn hand. That's my boy right here. That's my gangster. He gonna turn that water on. Good grab, bro. Good grab. Can I shut it? I might have to move you around a little bit. Move your water out of the way. There you go. That's another one down. Most of these guys eat pretty good. Let's see what my Norma do, man. This dude be going off food and staying off food for freaking months. I gotta get ready to change him, though. Looks like he might be ready. You ready, bro? You ready? How you gonna act? How you gonna act? You ready? Yeah, yes you is. Take him on with you. There you go. He's been doing real good lately, man. I'm really proud of him. Okay, let me take this little beehole out. This little thing right here is like the freaking meanest. Look at her already, look at her. Hopefully she'll go on and take. There you go. Booyah. Good deal. I ain't got but one more, but this guy's in shit, so I don't know if he's gonna eat or not. And he probably won't. Yeah, he deep in shit too, y'all see him? It's my lemon blast. If you don't, I know why. Let's see what he do. Yeah, see, he know him to come out to his. This dude, pretty big, ain't it? Male, lemon blast. I don't think he wanted. You want a bump? No, he don't want it. So what I think I'm ending up doing, yeah, if he, yeah, see, by now he'd have been done, came out his little hole or whatever and been like, yeah, give me my food. Yeah, he don't want it though. So I'll probably go shut that down and try him again later on in the week. Yeah, man, but that's my quick little sneak feeding video on my little collection. Yeah, continue to be great, man. Peace and love to you all. Sure.